In today's video, I will walk you through how to set a stop limit order in Robinhood Legend. Go to Robinhood Legend. Once you're on the platform, make sure that the Positions widget is added to your layout. If it is not visible, go to Add Widget and click Positions to add it to your screen. After the Positions widget is added, choose the stock you want to set a stop limit order for. In the Positions list, select the specific stock so you can access its available options. Next, go to the end of that stock row and click the three dots menu. This will open the Actions menu for that position. Click Increase Position. After selecting Increase Position, move to the Order Setup screen where you will see Buy and Sell options. Move to the Order Type section and change it to Stop Limit. After selecting Stop Limit, confirm that the order type is correctly updated on the screen. Next, review the order details carefully and make sure the correct stock is selected along with the Stop Limit order type. Check the quantity field and adjust it, if needed, so it matches the position you want to apply the stop limit order to. Once everything is set, review the full order summary to ensure all details are correct. After confirming the information, proceed to submit the order. Once the order is submitted, the stop limit order will be applied to your selected position. You can return to the Positions widget at any time to view or manage your active positions and orders.